What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, man. Y'all can see I'm on the move. I'm at the gas station, headed to Silver Dollar Motorsport Park. This morning, I got the family with me. We loaded in all the equipment. Not all the equipment, got some of it. But y'all know we're gonna. It's the boost out the cut the check going down today. So I'm finna get that epic footage on the main channel. So y'all make sure to check out that. And when we get down there, we're gonna walk around all that good stuff. Cause I'm on the move early today. So I'm about to gas up and I'll catch y'all down there. All right, y'all, made it. Y'all see, Silver Dollar Raceway. It's really Silver Dollar Motorsport Park now. So I just talked to the owner. Shout out to Ant. Man, I'm about to come on in early because he said the gates actually not open yet. But we about to go on in. Hey, Tina back there, I don't know what she talking about. Silver Dollar. Reynolds, Georgia. So if you ain't been to this track, I need to hit it up. I need to come check it out, man. It's a nice track. One of the longer tracks in Georgia too, actually. Run quarter mile here, but I think the track itself, the track might be a mile long. I can't remember, I have to add in. But yep, we heading in. Cuzzo back there behind me. He gonna help me out today. He gonna run my live stream. So yeah, we get to go around everybody and go on in. So we're gonna go ahead and get in here, y'all, and get set up. I'll catch y'all in a minute. All right, y'all see all the line back there? We in here. So shout out to Ant, man. The gates they running late, but we about to go ahead and get set up. I see this facility. I come down here and film a lot. Y'all see a lot of my video from here too. Silver Dollar. I always show them little good track. So yep, good weather. It's about to go down. So ain't nobody here yet. So we finna get. He said we park anywhere we want to. So we finna set up, man. We should get some good footage today. So y'all just stay tuned. All right, y'all, we checking in, man. We made it in here. Like I said, I'm just trying to figure out what I'm gonna put in my book bag. Cause I can't take all the stuff when I'm filming, but I got the drone, so I'm trying to figure that out and all that. Got Cuzzo over there. He talking business stuff. Y'all make sure subscribe to the channel. He helped me out. They going to the bathroom trip. Y'all subscribe to Wifey channel. It's on screen too. But yeah, that's what I'm trying to see, man. I got both of my big cameras. The GoPros gotta stay. I'm thinking about taking one of these out. Cause I can't use both of them. I brought them just in case. If all that fail, I might come back and get them. But I'm gonna put the drone right here. I'm gonna take the drone and put the drone in the controller right here, and then I have that. I can just whip it out. And we got the other phone, the business phone for the live stream and business calls. So get this set up. Then I got the new one. Did the new camera. I ain't shot no vlogs on the jet, y'all, but one time. But I thought it was that vlog I said I thought I was in 4K, but I really wasn't. I was in 1080. I hadn't even set it in 4K. So this the new one right here. Yep, thing's crazy. So new camera and new lens too, brand new glass. So yep, footage about to be crystal clear. So yep, and get set up. Then y'all stay tuned. Y'all we checking in. These more we're trying to take Cuzzo to jail every time. They try to take him to jail. They try to take him to jail. Got him. They doing acrobatics, all types of stuff.
Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back.
Look at them every time, man. Every time you pull up at the house, they taking the jail and all that. We just getting ready. Folks just now coming in, so I guess they opened the gate. They said they what it looking like right now. We just chilling out right now, so y'all already know what time it is. So yeah, man. We'll get started in a minute. Let's see right here. We'll get started in a minute, y'all. Look, y'all. People already asked me, man, you drove Dolo down here? Like, nah, man. Y'all know Dolo ain't ready. It clean though. It sound good. It sound good. Oh yeah, they coming on in here. Got another box over there too though. So, but Dolo will be back soon. But I'm talking about it's gonna be something serious. I can tell you that. It's gonna be something serious. Making some right on the 4 digits. It's gonna be right there at it. Close to it. I'm gonna say that. So y'all should stay tuned. Look, they still going at it. She doing karate. They double team. So yeah, y'all, we're gonna stay tuned.
Subscribe to you, man.
Oh yeah, I appreciate you. Appreciate you.
Yeah, for sure. I've been subscribed to you for some years.
Oh yeah. Hey, go and shout yourself out there. You got to.
I ain't got no YouTube or nothing.
No
man.
YouTube, no Instagram, nothing?
I got Instagram.
Instagram, what's Instagram?
Laces Killer TM.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay. Y'all make sure to subscribe, man. We support each other. I appreciate you.
Yeah, for sure.
Yep, we rolling out here, y'all. We on the vlog. I ain't using the big camera today. It just I'm working, so it's just too much. Be trying to use it. So, cause I'm on the live stream right now on my personal Facebook page. All of that. The kid, they just everywhere. We just scanning, doing what they do. But you know, some nice pieces out here already. Don't look, man. I'm telling you, they trip me out, man. I'm talking about Dolo twin, but it's my car dark. My car darker than that, and it ain't clean to that, y'all. I told you my car need paint. My car need paint, and I got the house grill too, E&G. So 2 though, bad boy clean, always little silver Tierra grill. Gonna be putting one on wifey car. She gonna have the Tierra on the money color and all that. Bad boy's clean, 2 though. Yeah, this is it. This bad boy clean. They were calling me like, hey, this Dolo. I'm like, nah, man. It ain't that. Mine ain't that clean. Not yet. Not yet. Tough. Sound good too. Sound real good. Yes, indeed. On the 6s. But yeah, that's what's out here right now. So I got my cousin on the live stream. I'm gonna stay checking in with y'all on the vlog, whatever, behind the scene footage. Not the racing and stuff. Go to the main channel for the racing. So y'all stay tuned. Alright, y'all. KDC. Hot rod. Pro Charge. Don't. Bad machine. Thing fast too. It's bad boy, it's fast, but y'all probably saw it on the channel and other people's channels. A lot of people don't cover the car, man. Some good events, good coverage of their car. So y'all see it. My brother, what up? What up?
New phone. I like the phone.
Yeah, yes indeed. Let's get the shirt, man. You know I'm showing everybody love, brother.
Oh, yeah, man.
Y'all go subscribe to Life of Rique, man. Y'all make sure he getting it in. He putting that work in.
Getting it in.
He getting it in. He coming up quick, man. Good
Oh,
dude.
yeah.
Go support him, man. Go subscribe. Good coverage. So gonna be a lot of good shooters out here today, y'all. A lot of good shooters. Say Cuzzo live, he over there working and stuff. We're gonna go check out the box, the infamous cut the check. Y'all know how to cover this car a lot over the years. So it done came a long way. I say that. This car here done came a long way from. They had the small Pro Charge and then went to the F2, and now twin turbo. So you know, Lulu keeping it rolling, keeping it rolling. Keeping the legacy going. Y'all know. Y'all see, I like the color on it, boy. That blue, that thing nice. I like the color on it. Y'all can't even get the full effects of it, but it's nice, man. It's a nice blue. But coming on in. Got the trunk right there. Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed. Alright, y'all see it, cause I'm getting the tripod set up. This the setup for the live stream. We got the battery packs, everything. We live all day. We'll make sure everything level. Make sure it's even. So you take the level right there, adjust the leg. Make sure that level. Y'all know how to use the level. Well, that ain't right now. Now we gotta adjust that. But this the view we're gonna begin. So y'all can see right here. Boom, boom. We're going live. Then you go to the main channel. You get the crystal clear A1 footage with the different angles and stuff. Cause I got about 4 or 5 GoPros with me today, and I got the drone. Real windy. It's real windy today though. But drone will be able to do what it do. So we we all set up. We good to go.
Watch this man every day. Y'all stand by J Marathon,
See it, man. I gotta put him in the vlog. You got IG?
Yes, sir, bro.
What's your Instagram? Keith Schmeier. You got an Instagram or you ain't got one yet? What is it? Got Instagram? Nothing?
Not yet, man.
Not yet, yeah.
Get a picture with
We take it in, we take it in, y'all.
2004,
See it. Boost out the end hill.
Please clear the skating rings of all vehicles
Going down.
unless you're about to make a pass down the track. All vehicles must be cleared.
They about to get to it, y'all. They about to get to it. Yes, indeed. Clean, too. Clean. All right, y'all see it. See it, cut the check, warm it up over there. Little magic right there. Boost out the end hill. And then y'all see it's going down. About to go down. Feel good. Got Old School Kings right there, OSK Media. Y'all make sure to subscribe to my big brother. He out here now working. Y'all see it going in. They getting ready, EJ. And yep, right here about to get it in, man. About to get in. Because I'm working the live. We're just trying to go in all the way around out here. I see it. All right there. Y'all see it? See it, man. Lady driving. She about to make a pass. Little thing. Y'all see it?
That shit real.
Yes, sir. Alright, y'all see it. Checking in out here. Coming on in, man. I gotta get Dolo ready, man. All these boxes, I got to get Dolo ready, man. I done seen a couple of runners out here. I got to get Dolo ready. ASAP Rocket, y'all. ASAP Rocket. Nah. Yeah, we ain't worried about that. We ain't worried about none of y'all haters. Yeah, we ain't worried about none of y'all. Y'all know that by now. Yes, indeed. Yeah, most definitely. Yeah, y'all. She just got down, y'all. She just got down. We had a GoPro inside the car. Y'all got to take it out the main channel. She did her thing, man. She did her thing for real. She driving it. Driving it, man. Yes, indeed. Photo. Clean. That box right there nasty too, y'all. That thing is nasty. I gotta get Dolo ready. I got to get Dolo ready, y'all. I've been waiting on that converter, man. I'm waiting on my billet converter, but if it don't come back, I'm going to get one, man. I got to stick my motor in. I got to get my motor in ASAP Rocket. Got to get that box out here. So yeah, I got some motivation out here. So yeah, y'all just stay tuned in for the vlog, man. We're gonna catch y'all in a minute. Here we go.
Y'all see a Champ Racing live, baby. I ain't in the dome today. I'm in my little new rigger, you know. Anybody, I want to put this out there. To anybody, la-da-da to anybody on premise, the 8th of my Pro Tree got action. Don't give a fuck who it is. Champ Racing, baby. Y'all here like Mr. Chin, baby.
Anybody on privilege, that's slow.
Anybody, huh?
That's slow.
Don't master say it slow. Don't master say it slow, but I put the Gap sauce on the Gap sauce. Last time I checked, I'm the man on these streets.
Hey, y'all, every time. Every time, boy. It go down, y'all. It go down. So, yeah, man, look. We on the vlog, man. We on the vlog channel. They going down, so. All right, y'all. We checking in. Staging lanes. Everybody still waiting on the show to go down, man. We gotta cut the check right here in the staging lane. Everybody waiting on the big event to go down, the big race. So Monte Carlo, Malibu's, all that. They prepping the track, all that good stuff. So just keep y'all tuned in. We just down here chilling and all that. So we're gonna catch y'all in a minute. All right, y'all. I'm checking in, man. So it's the next day. I forgot to close the vlog out, man. Yesterday, it was just jumping. It was too much going on, man. I forgot to close the vlog out. But I hope y'all enjoyed that track footage, man. Nice little day. I appreciate everybody that I spoke to out there that came up and showed love and everything. It was good. It was good kicking with everybody, meeting everybody and all of that. Me and Cuzzo, man, we appreciate everybody that always show love and support whenever we out. And yeah, man, I just had a good time. But like I said, I forgot to close the vlog out, man. I was tired when I got back. I had to get straight to editing. If you follow my main channel and my Facebook, then you already seen the footage. I stayed up, man. I didn't go to sleep till 4:30 in the morning. I ain't go to sleep till 4:30 in the morning, man. I'm tired. I'm tired. Then I've been shooting stuff today for y'all. Shooting vlogs today. So, you know, grind don't stop. Grind don't stop. You got to get it, man. You got to get it how you live. Ain't nobody going to give it to you at the end of the day. So, yeah, man, that's it. The next place I'll be, I don't know. I'm going to start letting people know the next place I'm going to be. But the car meet is coming up March the 28th. 2 p.m. The car meet is coming up, man. I throw the flyer on the screen so y'all can check that out. Check all the information. You can just screenshot it or whatever. And, man, I like to see everybody out there, man. This the first one, me and Cuzzo. This the first one of the year. Y'all make sure y'all come out. I'm going to have shirts out there. I'm going to have the merch. So, man, hey, make sure you just come out, man. Enjoy yourself and all of that. So I appreciate everybody. I'll catch y'all later. I'm out.